They have 37.8 million subscribers. 37.8 million subscribers. Look at the type of video they're doing. Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. It's your French boy Monarchs again. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money on YouTube without showing your face on YouTube. Because mostly people think that if you making video on YouTube, you always have to show your face. You always have to put your face in front of the camera and start recording. That's not the truth, because there are tons of channels out there who making money on YouTube, who creating content on YouTube. They're making money more than people who showing their face, but you will never see their face. They never show their face to people, but they're getting crazy amount of subscribers, they're getting money and everything. So that's the topic today we're going to talk about. But the good thing about showing your face on YouTube is that when you're showing your face, you have a deep connection with your audience. For example, I'm showing my face like that, and the people who come in to watch me, they have like actually a deep connection. They know like there is a human being behind the camera and talking to people and, you know, trying to do something to people. So people have the connection. You have a connection with your audience, and your audience have a connection with you. For example, in my channel like that, there is a lot of people who come in here. They don't even care about my content. They just care about me. They just like my personality. That's it. Otherwise, like any type of content I put in on this channel here, they're ready to watch, but they care about my personality first. That's the good thing about showing your face on YouTube. Yeah. And that you can create a video without showing your face and still generate money than people who showing their face. So without further ado, let me show you guys in my computer here how you can create a video without showing your face and make money. So here is the thing. If you take this channel like that, if you take this channel and type of, for example, this channel, a bright side, bright side, yeah, bright side. If you go to this channel like that, for example, this channel actually, look how many subscribers they have. They have 37.8 million subscribers. 37.8 million subscribers. Look at the type of video they're doing. Let me go on their channel and you guys will see what's going on there. 37.8 million subscribers. Imagine. So look this type of video they're doing. They actually don't show, they never show their face. Like since I started watching this channel here, I never saw someone's face here. For example, if I click here, if I click this video here, you will see they don't show their face. They don't show their face. Yeah, they just animate things and explain, make a voice over, and that's it. Yeah, I just want to show you guys here, and after that I will show you guys how to do. I never saw someone's face in this channel here, never. It's just animate video and put voice over. That's it. They just explain the story, put voice over, and that's it. And per day, these people can upload more than 3 videos per day. Sometimes they can go up to 5 videos a day.
Police found someone had switched the pills and questioned.
You see how what type of video these people doing? Look, this type of video people doing. Like they never show someone face here, and you will never see someone face here. And look, estimately what these people getting per month. Estimate monthly 36.1 thousand to 577.9 thousand dollars per month. Per month, they're getting close to $500,000 per month. Imagine. And no one show his face here. It's just people behind the scene. They just put a story, animate the video, put the voiceover, and upload the video. Simple. So you will ask me like, but how to do this one here? It's simple. There is nowadays there is there is an app there who make life easy for people. There is app there who make life like really easy for people. So if you go to Doodly video, for example, this one here, if you check here, you see this type. Doodly allow you to, like, they already template, or you can put a story and they will create a template for you, and you can just, you don't need to be like a web designer or something like that before you see this one. Simple. You just need to put the story, what you want to be in the video and all, and they will design for you. That's it. Yeah, that's it. You see, the software, you just need to sign up and download the software and pay one time. And nowadays they make like an offer, like a $67 for lifetime. If you buy that, is for lifetime. It's worth it. You buy 67 something, and you are for lifetime. That's incredible. See, and like mostly people are buying this one. Well, you recognize this hand here. Sometimes you watch a YouTube video and you see those hands, you know, those hands writing something or like drawing something. Yeah, you don't need to do any effort. And you'll ask me also how to make a voiceover on those type of video. Simple. You go to Speechelo. All you need to do here is like to grab a text, paste, and click like translate. For example, they have different language in this software here. Speechelo allow you to translate a text into real human voice. You can see instantly transform any text into a 100% human sounding voiceover with only 3 clicks. Yeah, with this one here, Speechelo, you can easily grab your text anywhere. You can have a book anywhere and put on Speechelo, transform for you, and you can put like a man voice, a woman voice, a child voice, anything in English, in Spanish, in French, in everything you can put in Speechelo here. So the easy thing about this thing here, you design what you want to explain to people on Doodly software. You come to Speechelo, you put you put the text over, the voice over that you want to say, and you combine that on a editing software. That's it. You go to your editing software, you put your video, you put your voice over, and that's it. You're good to go. Everything is okay. Per day you can make at least 3 videos with this one here. You don't need to show your face. You just imagine a story, a good story. Yeah, you have to put a good story out there so that people will know. You just imagine a good story, and you just, how can I call it, you just post. You can, for example, if you have time a day, you can make even 5 video and like schedule it. It's like every day I want to post. On YouTube you can schedule your video, like you can upload even 5 video and schedule it. Like, I want this video to appear public on the 3rd, on the 5th, on the whatever. Yeah, so that's the thing. People are not showing their face and making crazy amount of money. And also there is another way also to make money without showing your face. For example, let me stop this one here. For example, you cooking every day, like girls or like women, they're cooking every day. But no, the modern girl or the modern, they don't cook every day, because most of the time people like going to restaurant and all. But for those who cooking like at least 3 times a week, that's a 3 video opportunity. Yeah, that's 3 video opportunity. For example, you cooking today, you just put your phone or you just put your camera, you film what you're doing. You don't show your face, you just film what you're doing. I'm putting salt here, I'm putting tomatoes here, I'm putting everything here, and you combine all together, and that's it. You're good to go. you just post online. If you cook 3 times a week, you have 3 video. Yeah, you just need to put your camera and film what you're doing. Put water, put something, and you put a title, how to cook this one, how to cook this one. There is a tons of channel on YouTube who just showing their hands, what they're doing, and post. People don't care about what your face look like. They want to know what is the hand product of what you're cooking. So that's the way to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Yeah, and there is a lot of way to make money. For example, you can go for vlogging. You choose a specific way. For example, you say, no, I'm showing people only the street food of Vizag. You don't need to show your face. There is a tons of channel on YouTube. They don't show their face. They just go around on the street and show how people work on the streets, how people selling the street food and all, and they're still making millions of views. Yes. So you guys see you guys saw the example of Bright Side. They're making tons of money, but they never ever show their face. So that's the way to actually generate money on YouTube without showing your face. If you don't want to show your face, that's not a problem. You can do everything. YouTube is so diverse that you can do everything on YouTube without showing your face, and it's amazing. Yeah. So guys, that's it, and that's what I want to share with you guys here. Thank you to watch the video. I hope you guys find value in this video. If you find value on this video, give me a thumbs up. Share this video to someone who might, you know, like this video, and someone who interested about like doing video, like sharing on YouTube, but he don't want to show his face. Like, share this video anyway. Yeah. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.